We have a 120,000
Right.
in the future. We can make more high brightness. 2 or 3 years, I think the mini LED LCD is 1.5 times the normal one, and the OLED I think maybe 2 or 2.5 times normal.
Hi, this is David Naranjo. I'm here this week at Display Week 2026 in Los Angeles, California. Today I have with me Mr. Simon Qin. He's the general manager of the R&D Center. We're going to chat a little bit about all the things that Tianma is doing in the technology of micro LEDs. Thank you, Simon, for joining us. Simon, it seems like Tianma is really prioritizing micro LEDs for automotive applications. Can you tell us why that is the case from Tianma? Why are you prioritizing that for automotive more than any other application?
Because the micro LED have many priority, such as you can make a transparent display, you can make high brightness display, and we can tightly like a whole display using a small module. So we hope that a micro LED can use the different fields of the automotive. So now we make many samples using this feature, like the high brightness, such as you can see in my booth the demo. You can use it for the HUD. It can be a very high brightness feature.
So how many nits is that display?
100,000.
120,000?
120,000. Yeah.
Wow. And that's for an automotive application.
Yes.
Why does it need to be so bright?
Because in the afternoon, the sunshine is very strong. We need to read the information from the windshield or from the transparent type the material.
So given that automobiles tend to get hot inside, how do you solve the thermal management issues for micro LEDs? How are they solved and what challenges do you have to solve them?
We now make some special structure driving circuit and using the high brightness LED and special structural LED such as two LED, we can put them together like that.
Is that proprietary to Tianma or is that an industry-wide solution? Is that proprietary to
Yeah, we
Tianma?
co-designed with our partner.
Okay. So we should expect to see more high brightness displays for automobiles like Tianma is showing? We should expect to see more.
Yes, now we have a 120,000
Right.
nits. In the future, we can make more high brightness.
Hmm. Besides the thermal management issues, what about long-term reliability for micro LED in automobile applications? Are there any issues with long-term reliability? And if there are, how are they being solved?
Yes, the special issues on the long life is the issue place. So we make a special material to solve this problem.
Okay. And that's unique to Tianma? That's a Tianma only solution?
Yes, we cooperate with our material partner.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is a typical ASP premium for micro LED versus OLED or mini LED? Is there a premium typical ASP delta? Is it thousands of dollars more? Is it hundreds of dollars more? How much more is it for a micro LED application versus OLED or mini LED?
In my opinion, in the 2 or 3 years, I think the mini LED LCD is 1.5 times the normal one, and the OLED I think maybe 2 or 2.5 times the normal.
Okay.
For the micro LED, I think that will be maybe 2 times the OLED in
Okay.
the 3 or 5 years.
So basically 5 times more expensive than mini LED,
Yeah.
basically. So when do you see micro LED achieving a more cost competitive position? Is it 3 years away, 5 years away? What is your expectation or where's the technology headed in terms of cost competitiveness to OLED and mini LED?
I think that will maybe 5 years.
5 years. And how is the factory that's producing these products? How is the yield? Is it good? The pilot production that you have going on at the factory, is it good yields that are happening, or are you still having challenges with yields?
You mean the mass production?
Yeah, the yield. Yeah, are you still having challenges, or is it running pretty smoothly?
Yes, there have some challenges in the yield. Yeah, especially for the mass transfer.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's interesting because yesterday during the business conference, play nitride showed some interesting things to improve mass transfer. Are you looking at solutions like play nitride is doing to help with the mass transfer issues?
Yes, we have some cooperation with the Apple Nitride,
Okay.
and now we are use the all laser process from the wafer to the module.
Oh,
All
excellent.
use the laser,
Excellent.
and if we from the wafer we will pick the high yield the LED wafer, and then we transfer to the we call the carrier,
Hmm.
and then we will have some method to select the good one, and then we'll transfer to substrate, and from the process we will have some AOI to assurance the yield over 99.999%.
Wow. Well, I will say displays that I saw in your booth for micro LED, unbelievable, especially the dual-sided one. It's a pretty impressive display. You guys are doing great things with micro LED. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.